2 months ago, Bitcoin was sitting pretty above 80,000. And credit to this chart, what we noticed is that every single bear market, Bitcoin has a repeatable pattern. What we noticed is that when price rises, it will often get above this green moving average. And when it does, it's a sign to the market that a plummet is coming in price. And what this chart is saying happens next is even more important. This chart is saying right now, as we speak, is the calm before the storm. A storm is brewing, it's gonna be a big one, and you need to be ready. In today's video, I'm going to explain this calm before the storm. I'm going to explain how it's incredibly important Bitcoin is at a breaking point, and I'm going to explain the two scenarios of how this could play out. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you how I personally think it's going to play out and what that means for you in your portfolio. So let's get into it. By the way, we are getting tons of comments about Winbottom and altcoins. Did you know I give my top altcoin picks and my big secret investment both covered in the Bitcoin bottom blueprint? Just my big secret investment alone is already worth multiple times the cost of the Bitcoin bottom blueprint. But on top of that, you get my top altcoin picks. And on top of that, you get one guaranteed buy inside of the golden zone or your money back. Public launch coming soon. Watch your email. So here we are. We're on the Bitcoin US dollar index, and today we are on the weekly chart. And as I had mentioned, there is the calm before the storm, and a big storm is brewing, and Bitcoin is at a breaking point. And I want to really hone in to this breaking point. And what we're going to do today is break down today's video into three components. First, we're going to talk price action. Then we're going to get to the middle of our screen, the RSI, and then the bottom, the stochastic RSI, and the breaking point that we are at and how this thing could go in either direction really quickly. Now, we'll start our day with price action. What we noticed with price action is we've been very, very quiet for weeks and weeks and weeks. It seems like every day we are at the same price. There's a reason for that, and it's right in front of your nose as you sit here on the chart right at the bottom of our screen. It's screaming what is about to happen. It's screaming with this warning sign. It's screaming that a storm is brewing. But what we notice about price action is we spent some time above this green moving average, which by the way is the 21 SMA, the simple moving average. And what you notice is when you zoom out, every single bear market, you can see the bear market right here. Back in 2014, you can see this green line starting to point down, price action going down for a while. That's the market that I'm referring to. When we're in this type of bear market, we always go above the green line, and when we do, it's a sign to the market that this is going to be short-lived. Credit to this chart, that's what helped us remain level-headed a few months ago when we were at 80,000. But right before our nose, this chart has its next warning sign. So you can see each and every bear market, we get above said green line, the 21 SMA, and then we usually turn around and plummet in price. But there's something bigger brewing that I want to get to, right? We understand price action now is back below this green line. We understand we could potentially get above this green line again, and it wouldn't be a concern. It's actually a warning sign. Now, what you notice about the middle of our screen, price actions moving sideways. Let's get to the RSI, Relative Strength Index. It goes from a range of 0 up to a range of 100. And keep in mind, it measures overbought and oversold. You simply want to buy Bitcoin when it's oversold, and you want to sell when it's overbought. The problem is that's the hardest thing to do because humans have emotions, and emotions are the number one reason why your portfolio is not acting how you wanted it to. If your portfolio is not where you wanted it, it's oftentimes emotion got in your way. Let's be honest. Let's call a spade a spade. That's what it is. If you think back to all of the times and all of those decisions that led up to whatever happened to your portfolio, emotion played a cue. You felt really emotional that you were going to get into a trade or out of a trade because of emotional tie to some sort of outcome instead of a logical tie or a strategic tie. Recently, many of you have been randomly unsubscribed from my channel, and missing just one video in a market like this can cost you big time. So stop what you're doing, look down, and make sure you are subscribed. So what you see happening, top of our screen, price action going sideways, middle of our screen, the RSI is actually following a distinct pattern for quite a while. What you notice is it started back in March 2024, creating a swing high and then followed by a lower high, another lower high, and our recent lower high of May 2026. This is a pattern you often see during bear markets. And what you want to look for next is the bottom of our screen. The star of today's show, the Stochastic RSI. Now, I mentioned this is the calm before the storm. I mentioned price action going sideways for weeks and weeks and weeks. I mentioned we used this exact chart 2 months ago to stay level-headed. A big credit to this chart and the systems that we have created and the rules that we have followed to keep us level-headed in a time of exuberance. Whether it's over exuberance to the upside or devastation to the downside, they're both an over emotion, and we use charts and rules and systems to throw all that out the window just to stay level-headed when there's a storm right above our heads. Now, why the storm is brewing, I'm going to let you know, and it's right here at the bottom of our screen. We're moving sideways in price action, but we are at an absolute breaking point. We are at the tipping point of the next important move for Bitcoin during this market cycle. And it's right beneath your eyes. It's right here on this chart. And it happens to be where we are at right now. You see, what happened 2 months ago, we were looking for one thing and one thing only. When we were above this green line in price action, the 21 SMA, we noticed that we were looking for one thing and one thing only, and that's the weekly Stochastic RSI cross. They typically happen twice per year, and we were looking for a cross down of when price will plummet. I had mentioned the chart is saying we're going to have a plummet in prices, and if you want to know when, just take a look at the Stochastic RSI. Whenever we have a cross down, that's what happens. So we went from 80 something down into the high 50s and then standstill. The reason is we're at critical market structure, but also the reason is the Stochastic RSI has stalled. Meaning, if you look at the Stochastic RSI, you can see it has stalled right at about the 20 level. Now, I want to state something incredibly important. The most powerful moves on the downside happen when the Stochastic RSI has the orange line and the blue line below 20. Now, I don't want to just tell you things and have you say, oh, Steve said it, so it must be true. No, we should never have that thought. We should look for facts. I will show you facts. Take a look. The last time that we had plummeted below the 20 was here in January 2026 when Bitcoin was at $98,000. And as soon as the blue and the orange line moved below the 20 level, we plummeted from 98,000 all the way down to 60. And that is when the worst of the worst moves happen. In other words, the Stochastic RSI is our momentum. And when our momentum plummets to near zero, that's when the most brutal moves to the downside happen. Now, keep in mind, right now, we are hovering around the 20 level. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. More to come on this in a second. Let me show you more facts. The previous time to that, where we had the Stochastic RSI dip below back the 20 level, was here when we were at our all-time high of $126,000 Bitcoin. And then we had the blue and the orange line plummet below the 20. And that's all it took for us to go from 126 down to 80 in the snap of a finger. The worst of the worst moves happen when the Stochastic RSI bottoms out below the 20. The reason I'm telling you this is we are hovering currently above the 20 level. We are at a breaking point. This is the calm before the storm. But as I mentioned earlier, there are two outcomes here. I think you're starting to understand one of the outcomes is, hey, the stochastic RSI has the blue and the orange dip below the 20 level, and this whole thing could explode right before our eyes to the downside. That is one scenario. Now, let me get to the second scenario, and then as I mentioned, I'm going to say what scenario or how I think this is going to play out, and then most importantly, what that means for you. What should you do with the information from this video? That's what I'm going to leave you with, but we're not there yet. I need to break down a few more things, and it starts with this. Here is what you need to know. I explained one scenario, and we'll go into it more detail in a minute, but if the stochastic RSI starts to fall, what if we start to rise? What if right now we have the stochastic RSI start to cross up, because this is our momentum, and what will happen to price if our momentum goes up? Let me figure this out based on the facts, right? I told you on this channel, we don't guess. We look at the facts. Well, the last time that we had a legitimate, true stochastic RSI cross up on the weekly was back here in April 2025, just based on the facts in the charts. Looking at that, Bitcoin was at roughly 76,000, and we had a stochastic RSI cross up, and we went from 76,000 up well over 120,000 with that stochastic RSI cross up, coming from a place of having momentum upward and coming down and having that cross up. That's exactly what we're looking for. We're not counting these because these ones never went up to past the 80 level. So the last time we had a true stochastic RSI cross was quite literally back in March, April 2025. And that's literally what happened the previous time. Now, let me break down something very, very important. What I'm going to do is explain what I believe to be happening, what storm I believe to be coming, and why that's important to you in your portfolio. In other words, how do you use the information I'm giving you in this video just based on the facts? This chart has treated us very well. We need to pay a lot of respect to this chart, and it's clearly saying the worst of the worst moves happen when the blue and the orange go below the 20. And the best moves happen when we cross up above the 20, have momentum to the upside. The one thing I want you to keep in mind is if you're a bull and you want this to be the bottom of the market and you want us to go up from here, and you're watching this video at the edge of your seat and you're wondering, like, how high could we go? How crazy could this get if we do see a stochastic RSI cross up first time since April 2025? How can this really go? Well, I'll direct your attention back to a couple months ago when we used this exact chart, when it gave us huge credit for being calm, following distinct rules. It's if you get above this green line, it happens in every single bear market, but it never ends well. It's a bear market, and the bear market will continue. In other words, if you get above the green line, it's just that place of absolute hopium right before the devastating storm sweeps you off your feet and you plummet. In other words, yes, we could have a stochastic RSI cross. Yes, price would rise. Hey, maybe we'll even get above this green line, but it probably won't end well. And the only way that I would change my mind is if Bitcoin gets above 97,000. That is the previous swing high that I've always circled. And anytime you're in a bear market, you just look at the previous swing high, and the market needs to get beyond that. Otherwise, it's just a failed rally, and this will roll over. Now, let's get to how I think this is going to play out. And then I want to leave you with the most important information, which is, what do I do with the information you just gave me? Okay? So how I think this is going to play out, I think no matter how you cut it, this bear market's going to continue. Yes, maybe we have a little cross up. Yes, maybe price rises. Yes, maybe we get above the green line. Yes, maybe we even get somewhat close to having a new swing high. But it's irrelevant because it's already written. Bear markets are the same every single time. They trend downwards. but it takes like a year and a half. You have to be patient. You need to maneuver through these obstacles of like hopium and oh my God, what if everything could change? It's likely not. And we can't say with certainty because there are no certainties in markets. But what we can say is based on the facts that we have available at our fingertips with this chart, the bear market's going to continue one way or another. Maybe first we have a little rally, get people excited. But once you see the blue and the orange dip below the 20 level, there's going to be a little bit of fireworks. It's only a matter of time before that happens. So enjoy these moments before the inevitable lays true. Now, what should you do with this information? I want you to remain level-headed. I want you to watch this green line. I want you to watch the stochastic RSI. I want you to watch the 20 level. And those are the only things I want you to watch. I don't want you to watch social media, and I don't want you making emotional trades. In fact, the reality is, and nobody will tell you this, the best trade to make, the best thing to do is nothing. The most successful people will tell you that because that is based on fact. Don't listen to anybody else. The best trade to often make when you're wanting to make a trade in and out of something is don't do anything. What you want to do is you want to buy near the bottom golden zone and you want to sell near the top zone. And these are only trades that you make every couple of years, and they hold so much weight and so much importance, and they mint millionaires. The rest is just noise. By the way, we are getting tons of comments about Win Bottom and altcoins. Did you know I give my top altcoin picks and my big secret investment both covered in the Bitcoin Bottom Blueprint? Just my big secret investment alone is already worth multiple times the cost of the Bitcoin Bottom Blueprint. But on top of that, you get my top altcoin picks. And on top of that, you get one guaranteed buy inside of the golden zone or your money back. Public launch coming soon. Watch your email.